Hey guys, today I have with me the Redmi Note 11. The smartphone offers a 6.43-inch AMOLED display having a pixel density of 409 ppi. Redmi Note 11 has a bezel-less punch hole display. On the right spine, you'll find the volume button and the power button. The power button also works as a fingerprint sensor. On the other side, the phone has a SIM tray. The bottom of the phone features a USB Type-C port, a primary microphone and a speaker grill. Redmi Note 11 comes with a 50 megapixel quad camera setup with Redmi branding at the bottom. So that's all as far as the design is concerned. Now let's get into the details about the internals. Redmi Note 11 comes with a Qualcomm Snapdragon 680 chipset with 6nm fabrication. For multitasking, you will get 4GB or 6GB of RAM, and the internal capacity of the smartphone is 64GB or 128GB. Redmi Note 11 offers a 5000 mAh battery powered by a 33-watt fast charging facility. Coming to the camera specs, the phone features a 50 megapixel quad camera setup and includes a 50 megapixel primary camera supported by an 8 megapixel ultra wide angle camera, a 2 megapixel macro camera and a 2 megapixel depth camera. Also, the phone offers a 13 megapixel front camera. The software version of the Redmi Note 11 is Android 11 with MIUI. So guys, that's it for Redmi Note 11. Thank you so much for watching this video.